Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy a watch from us once in a while. Today, we will be talking about Rolex's Day-Date II with a yellow gold champagne dial, reference number 218348, a legacy model in Rolex's line of day-dates. This model has been discontinued in 2015 and has since been superseded by the 40mm 228348. This model contains 8 round brilliant diamonds and only 2 baguette diamonds at the 6 and 9 hour positions. The new model contains all baguettes. We have a video on our channel all about that watch if you'd like to take a look for yourself. This case is 41mm, thumb to forefinger, and is made of 18 karat yellow gold, made with the most precious metals and inspected in Rolex's own in-house laboratory before shaping. The back contains the typical screw-down case back with 4 distinct markers, distinct hallmarks, one under each lug. Difficult to see on this camera, but you'll have to see it with your own eyes. The right side contains the signature Rolex winding crown. The crystal is of a transparent, scratch-resistant sapphire, so there's no fear of suit threads or buttons damaging the crystal. There's a Cyclops lens directly over the date for easy reading at a glance. The bezel, set with diamonds, capable of attracting attention from anywhere in the room. The dial contains a sunray finish on a deep champagne that matches the case's yellow gold, allowing the diamond hour markers to stand out even further. The hour markers, as they are all in diamond, do not glow with luminescence in the dark. But what this timepiece lacks in the dark, it makes up 1,000-fold in the light. The crown contains a Rolex logo and ensures water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet. Setting the time and date are simple. First, unwind the crown. The first position allows you to wind the watch. The second position changes the day and date forward. Rotating it clockwise allows the date to move forward, while a counterclockwise rotation changes the day forward. Notice that each change occurs separately from the other, which helps when setting during the beginning of a month or during leap years. The third position allows you to change the minute hand. Be sure to push the crown all the way back in and tighten it against the body to ensure superior water resistance. The bracelet is a president style with semicircular 3-piece yellow gold links, all 18 karat, brushed on the bottom and polished on every outer surface for exceptional luster. The clasp is a concealed folding crown clasp, which allows for the cleanest presentation. The most important part of this timepiece is the movement. A legacy 3156 caliber with a plus or minus 2-second time differential per 24 hours, which exceeds Swiss standards of timekeeping. It is a perpetual, mechanical, and self-winding timepiece, so you only need to wind it once fully, and wearing it will allow the timepiece to continue winding throughout the day. The oscillator contains a high-performance Paraflex shock absorber and parachrome hairspring to to prevent electromagnetic interference, keeping the movement consistent in nearly any condition. The power reserve for this one is only 48 hours, so you can set it down for about 2 whole days before you have to pick it up again and keep winding it. Now, let's try on this watch. Alright, notice that the case does not rise too high above my wrist, as its low profile, despite the diamond bezel, allows it to slip in nicely under any coat or jacket sleeve. So who is this for? Obviously, for someone with an appreciation for minimalism, while also not giving up flair with the diamonds and utility with the day and the date. Someone who needs to keep track of time and is busy around the clock and would like a reference to today's date and day, while also looking absolutely stunning and stylish. So what are your thoughts on this timepiece? Do the round diamonds have better appeal than the baguette diamonds on the newer model? Does this one fall short or exceed the look of the newer model? And will you be picking one up soon at Jazz Time? As of the making of this video, this exact watch, this very timepiece, is available for purchase. So be sure to leave a comment, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our online store at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazz Time, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.